Hi, my dear teacher. In this occasion, I'm going to do a presentation about my personal. What's your name? My name is Joyner. How do you spell it? I spell Yonner. What's your last name? My last name is Jimenez. How do you spell it? I spell it Jimenez. How old are you? When is your birthday? I am 32 years old, and my birthday is on October 25. Do you have children? Yes, three children, three daughters. The oldest is Gabriela, she's 12. The middle child is Catalina, she's 7. And finally, the youngest is Isabel, she is 3. They are my dear daughter. What's your name? To my dear wife? Her name is Angelica. She is Angelica. Where do you live? I live in the most beautiful town of Colombia, Corazon. This is Corazon. Thank you very much. This was my presentation. Thank you.